Bye. Love you guys.
Love you. See you soon.
I think I have to get like a whole nother college degree to do this. No.
So what are we doing?
This is the first time we're using our EFS card for discounts on diesel. Went through the whole thing and it's going to save us about 50 cents on the gallon.
50 cents?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, we've been hearing about this for a long time, so we finally decided to break down and do it.
Yep.
So at first we weren't too crazy about doing it because the idea that you have to give your social security number, it goes straight from your bank. But everybody that we know that RVs full-time and has the EFS card, they've had no problems with it. So first time using it, we're excited to save money. And at the end of this season, we're going to add it all up and find out how much the savings was. Looking forward to lots of money in my pocket. Family members needed to go potty. I think we all needed to go potty, but one of them has to run around in the grass to go. It's been a crazy day. We've been driving all the way from Mississippi going to Dallas, and it's been raining all day. We decided to go straight through. It's about 6 hours of driving. Yesterday we did about 7 hours of driving from Destin to Mississippi, but things happen. You got to go with the flow and make your plans in jello. You never know what's going to happen, but we're traveling. Everything's safe, and it's kind of slowing down now. It's going to be nice and cool here this week, and looking forward to spending a whole week in Dallas with family and friends.
Gracie, you better?
It's cold.
Get the water. The Fishettes. We're at the Fishettes' house.
Hello. How long did it take you to film this video?
Athens, Texas to the NRVTA, the National RV Training Academy.
so I can take a course on how to fix our RV, or at least 80% of the stuff on the RV. You got to be prepared like a Boy Scout, right?
Yep. So here's Texas.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at 9024 US 175 on the right.
So we're here at the NRVTA, the National RV Training Academy, and to take a fundamentals class, an RV fundamentals class. Basically, this course allows you to fix about 80% of things in your RV that can go wrong. Day 1 was DC electrical. Day 2 we spent on AC electrical and how to use your voltmeter. Very informative. I mean, I've always been kind of mechanically inclined, but when it comes to electric, that's always been one of my pitfalls, I guess you could say. Not something I enjoy doing, working with electric. And on day 3 we talked about propane and water systems and how to take care of them the right way, the wrong way, how to service and keep them clean. Day 4 we talked about AC units. We talked a lot about AC units, how to clean your AC, the importance of cleaning your AC at a minimum of once a year, and just to make sure you have a good efficiency coming out of it. Day 5 we talked all about water heaters and furnaces and how to keep those and repair those if we had to. There's the fundamentals class is just a beginning. You can stay here and stay on track to become a RV inspector or RV technician, which at this point I'm not thinking about doing, but you never know down the road. The fundamentals class was great. I learned a lot. And hopefully I'll be able to repair a lot of the stuff in the RV. Up to now I've done little things here and there, but it just makes me feel more comfortable with the RV, knowing that if something goes wrong, at least I can diagnose it and find out what is going wrong. And if I don't have the parts or the tools to do it, I know what needs to be done, and I will be calling an NRVTA technician to take care of it. It's an incredible school. I highly recommend it. Well worth the money. I mean, just a couple jobs that you could save, not having to pay somebody to repair your RV or diagnose your RV. You're going to save money right there. Highly recommend it if you own an RV to come to NRVTA. They call it the Big Red Schoolhouse, and it's actually in Athens, Texas. I'll leave a link to the school in the bottom. It was a lot of information. It's almost like drinking from a fire hose, as they say. Just a lot of information, but a lot of great information. It's going to help us to maintain our RV and service our RV and just feel at ease traveling with our unit anywhere. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.